On today's video, we're gonna do Texas Twinkies, Arizona style. All right, today we got cream cheese at room temperature. We got bacon, we got 8 jalapenos, we got a half a cup of green chili, we got brisket, and we got cheese. We're gonna combine all that together, stuff them in jalapenos, wrap them in bacon, cook them on the vortex. All right, I cleaned out the jalapenos. I cut the tops off of them, so they're not all the way cut in half, they're just cut on the top. So I'm gonna let those sit. So we got a room temperature cream cheese. Throw in a bowl. Do a half a cup of cheese, half a cup of green chili. Then we're gonna sprinkle some SPG, just to taste. Okay. Then some Dirty Bird, Cosmos Dirty Bird for some color. And we're gonna just mix this up. All right, so first step, put a little bit of cream cheese in there, the cream cheese mix. Stuff it with some brisket, and a little more cream cheese on top. Okay, poppers are stuffed. Next thing to do is we're gonna wrap them in bacon. Start at one end. All right, poppers are now stuffed. They're wrapped in bacon. We're gonna cook these on the vortex. You don't have to cook these on the vortex. You can cook them on your grill, you can cook them on your smoker, you can cook them anywhere. Just indirect heat on a gas grill or on a smoker, throw them right on the smoker. So we're gonna add these to the grill. Okay, we're gonna set them on there. We're gonna rotate the lid every 10 minutes. Okay, so you guys probably see me post online or talk about this vortex all the time. So what it is, quick definition, it's a sheet metal cone that you light the charcoal inside the center of the cone, and it needs to be on a Weber grill or a circular grill. And the vortex goes in the center of that, you fill it up with charcoal, you light it, and it's direct, indirect heat. So this heat's gonna hit the top of the lid and it's gonna disperse and go out the vent. So all that heat is gonna go towards the vent. So as we rotate every 10 minutes, that heat is now gonna change directions from going here, then it's gonna rotate and go out that way, and that way all the way around like a clock. So what it's doing, it's gonna crisp everything. Anything that you have on here, from chicken wings to bacon to anything you want crispy, it's gonna give you that fried-like skin without using the deep fryer. So let's pull these off. All right, the poppers came off the grill, put them on a cutting board, they cooled down a little bit. Little pro tip is when you're cooking these on your gas grill, your smoker, your vortex, Weber, whatever you're doing, don't follow the exact timeline, just go until the bacon's crispy. You don't want to eat soggy bacon. If the bacon's crispy, they're ready to eat. So next thing to do is let's eat these bad boys. I made a dipping sauce. It's sweet barbecue sauce mixed with sour cream, just half and half, and kind of cools things down a little bit. So let's try that. Very good. I hope y'all like this video. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what you're cooking during this football season. I'll see you guys on the next video.